All right, it is time to get started with flipping your classroom. Before you get started, you want to make sure that you have a microphone for your computer so that you can get your voice onto your PowerPoints to make your videos. It is preferable to have one that plugs into the computer rather than using the microphone that comes with the computer that will record a lot of background noise and things like that you don't want on your videos. Now, there are multiple different kinds of video or recording software on the market. I choose Screencast-O-Matic because it is free and because it works fairly well and it's very simplistic. So we're going to go through the entire process of downloading the software, installing the software, and recording your video so that you can get started flipping your classroom. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, once again, go to screencast-o-matic.com, and then you are going to download and install the software. You don't want to just start recording. You want to download that software onto your desktop. It's easier to work with that way. So you click on the download and install button here at the red arrow, and then this is the screen that will come up. You want to download now, as you can see indicated by the red arrow again. There is also a tutorial available if you would like, and you can click on the tutorial button that is right here. Okay, so this is the next screen that will come up. You will download now. Once again, you click that, and then the download process will begin. Sometimes it may take a moment before you get to start the download process, and when that happens, this screen will pop up for you. I usually save things on my desktop that I'm installing to the computer. You can save it wherever you want to as long as you can get to it when you're done. When you have found where you want to put it, obviously it is going to be named Install Screencast-O-Matic automatically, and then you want to click Save, and it will go through the process of saving the executable file that will do the actual installing for you. So when the download is done, very quickly it will generally be done, you will have this Screencast-O-Matic button or executable file wherever you've chosen to save it. Double click on that and the installation process will start. And here we go. Once you've double clicked on that, this screen will pop up. Welcome to the Screencast-O-Matic Setup Wizard. If it doesn't pop up automatically and you see this the Screencast-O-Matic button pop up at the bottom of your screen, you can click on that and it will bring up this. You want to click Install, and then the installation process will start. When the installation process is over, this screen will pop up. You have the Finish button here, and you will have Start Screencast-O-Matic checked so that you can start to make your video. Once you've clicked Finish, this little screen will pop up in the middle here of your computer, and you want to click on Use Free Version. You don't want to enable Pro features that cost $15. You just want to use the free version as indicated by the red arrow. And then you will get this Screencast-O-Matic little outline box in the dotted line there. That is where the video will actually come from. So whatever is inside that box is what's actually going to be on the screen of your video. You have the red record button down at the bottom left as indicated by one red arrow, and then you have, this is an indicator of the volume. So if your microphone is working, you will see a green bar come up here to tell you the basic volume of your microphone. You want to make sure that you absolutely see that so that you don't make an entire video with no sound. This red button is what you will click once you are ready to start recording, which you are not ready to start recording yet, but you will be soon. So as you get your PowerPoint or whatever you're going to have set up, you want to once again make sure that you manipulate it so that it fits inside this outlined box, because once again that is what's going to be on the screen of your video. And when you're ready, you will click that record button, that red button that was shown previously. And when you're done, you will click that red button again, and it will be over. Or there's also a done button you can use that is at the bottom of the screen as well. When you are done with your recording, you want to publish that recording to a video file as indicated here. Once you click that button, this screen will pop up. You want to save the video as indicated by the red arrow again, and you're going to name your video whatever you want to name it. Choose wherever you want to save it. Once again, something that I'm going to upload, I generally save it straight to my desktop, and then you'll click the save button and it will save your video for you. It will bring up this screen and it will show you the progress of your video saving. Sometimes it can take a while for a video to save depending on the length of the video. A 15-minute video, which is the limit of Screencast-O-Matic, a free version, will take a few minutes to save. And then once it's saved, you will see that it is blue. It's a light blue highlighted color when it's done and you're ready to move on. Once you click the back button, here you go. The file itself is already saved. If you don't want to work with that file anymore in Screencast-O-Matic, once again, once you have saved it and it has shown up highlighted in blue, it is saved to wherever you have saved it as an MP4 file, so you don't have to work with it anymore in Screencast-O-Matic. And you can tell it you're done with the recording, and it will bring up the screen. And it will delete the recording once you say OK. It doesn't save your recordings in Screencast-O-Matic, but once again, you have saved your recording on your desktop. And it's just as simple as that. Once you've saved that recording on your desktop, you have an MP4 file that you can do many different things with. You can upload them to YouTube. You can create a audio blog, a podcast. There's multiple different things that you can do with your recording once it is done. But that is how to get started and get your first video made. Once again, you may make mistakes from here and there. You do have the opportunity to pause your videos as you're making them. That is, once you have pushed that red record button, a pause button will show up, so you can pause it. And then once you have it, you can once again upload it, do whatever you need to do with your videos. Hope this helped.